So today's challenge was yet again a wild card. After Ilana talked to us, we thought it was going to be a snake, probably a crocodile, and we were scared out of our minds, especially me, because I'm like, crocs aren't the friendliest of animals. And then I get there and then it's this beautiful hissing owl. But I loved it. Oh my goodness, Cody is his name, and he was so responsive and he was so warm. We looked in each other's eyes, we had a moment there. I loved it. Oh my goodness, I love Cody.
Miss South Africa, inspire a nation. Miss South Africa 2014, proudly sponsored by Cell C.